Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cryoto's Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're diving into a critical topic that could be the key to improving efficiency and reducing downtime in your operations: condition-based maintenance. Now, whether you're managing a fleet of machines, overseeing a production line, or running a high-value asset operation, CBM is something that can really change the game for you. To break it down for us, we have Alex, a maintenance management and IoT expert. Alex, it's great to have you on the show.
Thanks, Bruce. I'm excited to be here and talk about CBM. It's definitely an area where a lot of companies can see tangible benefits when done right.
Absolutely. So let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is condition-based maintenance, and how does it differ from, say, preventive maintenance?
Great question, Bruce. At its core, condition-based maintenance is a strategy where you monitor the actual condition of an asset in real time and perform maintenance only when necessary. Unlike preventive maintenance, where maintenance is scheduled based on time intervals or usage metrics, CBM takes a more data-driven approach. We use sensors, IoT devices, and real-time analytics to track the health of equipment, like monitoring vibration, temperature, pressure, or even wear and tear indicators. If any of these conditions go beyond a threshold, that's when maintenance is triggered, rather than sticking to a rigid time-based schedule. So, in short, it's about being more responsive rather than prescriptive.
Love that distinction, being responsive rather than prescriptive. It seems like CBM can save a lot of unnecessary downtime and effort, but when it comes to high-value assets, why is CBM so crucial?
High-value assets, think expensive machinery, critical production equipment, or complex systems, are the backbone of an operation. When one of these goes down unexpectedly, the impact can be catastrophic: lost production, safety hazards, or even huge repair costs. With CBM, you're not just relying on theoretical schedules, but instead using data to anticipate problems before they cause a failure. For example, with a turbine in a power plant, you could monitor its temperature, vibration, and lubrication levels in real time. If any of those indicators start deviating from normal levels, you can take action immediately. This prevents catastrophic failures and allows for planned downtime, which is far less disruptive and more cost-effective.
That's really insightful. I can imagine how much peace of mind this would bring to managers who oversee those critical assets. Now, can you walk us through an example of how IoT and real-time monitoring play a role in CBM?
Sure. Let's say you have a high-end HVAC system in a large manufacturing plant. If you rely purely on time-based maintenance, you might replace filters or check the system every 6 months, whether it needs it or not. But with IoT sensors integrated into the HVAC system, you can monitor things like airflow, temperature, humidity, and motor performance. These sensors will continuously send data to a cloud-based platform. That data is analyzed, and the system will alert you when, say, the airflow drops below a certain threshold or the motor temperature starts rising. Now, instead of waiting for the next scheduled checkup, you can address the issue before it causes a breakdown. This kind of predictive capability, being able to anticipate the failure points, saves money on repairs and extends the asset life.
It sounds like CBM, powered by IoT, can transform how organizations manage their high-value assets. For a maintenance manager listening right now, how can they get started with implementing CBM in their own operations?
The good news is, it doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing shift. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 critical assets to implement condition monitoring. Look for areas where failures or downtime are costing you the most, and use IoT sensors or even retrofit older equipment with smart sensors if necessary. From there, use the data you collect to build a maintenance strategy that's based on real-time insights rather than fixed schedules. Make sure you have the software and infrastructure to collect, store, and analyze this data, and then develop a team that's capable of acting on the insights in a timely manner.
That's some solid advice. So I guess the takeaway here is that by using CBM, companies can save on maintenance costs, reduce unplanned downtime, and boost the lifespan of high-value assets, all while leveraging technology like IoT for more intelligent, data-driven decisions.
Exactly, Bruce. It's all about using data to make smarter maintenance decisions and optimize the life cycle of your assets.
Well, there you have it. Alex, thank you so much for sharing your insights today. I think our audience is definitely going to walk away with some valuable knowledge on how condition-based maintenance can truly transform asset management in their operations. To everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe to Cryotis Maintenance Management for more expert advice, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. It's been a pleasure. See you next time.